I got bags, I got real estate. Classic shit. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drunk in this clean route.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be part 2 of how I managed to get that blueberry baddie wig. So in this video you're just going to see me getting my hair done. I went to BeautyLoungeHB to get my hair done, and yes, she did an amazing job. So what you see here is she's wrapped my head in cling film and she's put the wig cap on my big old head and she just started to sew on the first track. She put the cling film on my head so that when she's sewing down my tracks, it doesn't attach to my cane rolls underneath. So after she sewed on a couple bundles, she's now gonna sew down my frontal. Girls, do you see this color? I feel like a mermaid or whatever. When I was looking in the mirror, I was thinking, yes, okay, I could see it coming together. And plus, this was the first time I had proper colored hair as well, so I was so nervous. So what she's doing now, she's just sewing down my frontal. So the wig has been finished now, so what she's gonna go in and do is glue it down. She's using the Got To Be, the white one, and she's just gonna dry it and then she's gonna lay it down. So once she's laid it down, she just cut around my ears as well. When you lot see how this lace just melts, oof, she done such a good job. So now she's just pulling out baby hairs and she's just gonna cut them so that, you know, I got a little bit of some. I didn't do too much baby hairs this time, as I know I usually do, because I do like a lot of baby hairs, but we toned it down this time. So now she's just gonna go on to styling my hair. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys watch how she styled my hair. We did it straight first, just so you could see how the hair looks straight, and then, you know, we pizzazzed it up a little bit at the end. I hope you guys like this video. All of Beauty Lounge's details are going to be in the description box, as well as her Instagram. So if you want to get your hair done, which I definitely recommend you do, then all the info will be in the description box. She's based in London. So yeah, if you're local or if you want to travel, I would say do it, girl. Once again, the hair that I'm wearing is from Peerless Hair, the 613. If you want to see how I got this color, then the video is going to be in my description box.